Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to paint a clay house from start to finish. Let's dive right. Transform your clay house, a beginner's guide to painting. Ready to turn that plain terracotta clay house into a miniature masterpiece? Whether you're crafting a fairy garden or a cozy shelf sitter, here is your step-by-step guide to a flawless finish. Phase 1. Prep like a pro. Before you touch a brush to the clay, you need a solid foundation. Clean the surface. Phase 2. The base coat. Acrylic paints are the gold standard for clay. They dry fast, are water resistant when dry, and come in every color imaginable. Thin your paint, don't glob it on. Use a tiny drop of water to thin your acrylics. Two thin coats will always look smoother than one thick, streaky one. Phase 3. Protect your work. The final seal. Once your paint is 100% dry, wait at least 24 hours. Apply a clear varnish.